Hey guys, South Korea's LG Mobile has announced its latest flagship, the LG G7 ThinQ. The new flagship comes with a bunch of new features, a new design, and a notch. The most striking change in the LG G7 ThinQ is the notch in the display. Yes, LG has joined the notch train. This is not news, as we already knew this from leaked images and a hands-on video from a few months ago. Even in the notch, the LG D7 ThinQ has a bit of bezel at the top, which makes you question why there is a notch in the first place. On the rear, LG has switched to vertical arrangement for the dual cameras. Flanking it on the right is the LED flash and laser focus module, and below is the fingerprint scanner. Sadly, the scanner doesn't double as a power button anymore. The power button is now on the right hand side while the volume buttons are on the left. LG has also added a new button for launching Google Assistant. The button can be reprogrammed, but it is a quick way to access the assistant. The G7's display is bigger than that of the G6. It is now 6.1 inch and with a resolution of 3120 by 1440 pixels, QHD plus resolution. As expected, this is a Snapdragon 845 processor powering it, and it is paired with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of expandable storage. There are dual 16-megapixel cameras on the rear and one takes super wide-angle shots. The cameras now have AI features similar to those in the LG V30s ThinQ. There is scene recognition, which can tell if you are taking the picture of a person, landscape, pet, and more. There is also a super bright camera mode for automatic brightness adjustment in low light conditions. The front camera is an 8-megapixel with portrait mode too. The LG G7 ThinQ has a 32-bit hi-fi codec and a boombox speaker feature with an extra boost of bass. There is also DTX audio for cinema-like audio, but you will need wired earphones or a speaker to enjoy this feature. Other features of the LG G7 includes IP68 rating, an audio jack, Android Oreo, and a 3000 mAh battery with support for wireless charging. LG has not officially announced a price yet for the American market. However, I heard the G7 ThinQ will sell for €849 in Europe. So now let me know what you guys think about the latest flagship of LG, the LG G7 ThinQ. Now let me know in the comments down, and please subscribe for more upcoming videos. And yeah, see you soon. And please tell me what do you think about the notch.